Could 2026 be the year your Newton portfolio finally hits that six-figure milestone? I've been tracking the Canadian markets for a while now, and if there is one thing I've learned using Newton, it's that timing your entry into the right ecosystem is everything. As we look toward 2026, the market isn't just about buying the dip anymore, it's about identifying which protocols have moved from experimental to essential. Here's exactly where I am looking and why. 1. The scalability kings, Solana, SOL, and Ethereum, ETH. If you're on Newton, these are your blue chips. Ethereum is no longer just a slow, expensive network. With the recent Fusaka upgrade, we're seeing Layer 1 fees finally drop to levels that compete with Layer 2s. In my experience, holding ETH for 2026 is a play on institutional tokenization. When big banks want to put real-world assets on-chain, they come to Ethereum. On the other side, I can't ignore Solana. The speed is unmatched, and with the full rollout of Firedancer expected to settle by 2026, the network outages that used to haunt us should be a thing of the past. It is the king of retail activity, and for me, it's a must-have for any growth-focused portfolio. 2. The interoperability play, Polkadot, DOT, and Chainlink, Link. One mistake I see people make is forgetting the plumbing of the crypto world. Newton recently added DOT staking, which is a huge win for Canadians. By 2026, the goal of a unified Web3 space depends on Polkadot's parachains working seamlessly. Then there's Chainlink. I've always viewed Link as the safety net of DeFi. Every major smart contract needs reliable data, and Chainlink owns that market. With the expansion of the Cross-Chain Interoperability Protocol, CCIP, Link is positioned to be the bridge between traditional finance and crypto by 2026. 3. The utility and AI sector, Render, and Near. This is where I'm getting more aggressive. The intersection of AI and blockchain is going to be the dominant narrative of 2026. Render is literally providing the digital oil, GPU computing power, that AI companies need. Near Protocol is another one I'm watching closely on Newton. Their focus on chain abstraction means making crypto so easy to use that your parents could do it without knowing they're on a blockchain. That is the kind of mass market utility that pays off in a long-term hold. 4. The emerging contenders, Sway, SUI, and Avalanche, AVAX. Finally, I'm keeping an eye on the high-throughput newcomers. Newton added SUI recently, and its growth has been hard to ignore. It's built for high-performance apps, and by 2026, we'll see if it can truly steal market share from Solana. Avalanche, with its subnet architecture, remains the go-to for enterprises who want their own custom blockchain, making it a solid hedge against the more crowded ecosystems. My strategy for 2026 isn't about chasing 100x moonshots. It's about accumulating these foundational assets while the Canadian regulatory environment remains stable and Newton keeps adding deep liquidity for these pairs. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.